Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to show empty drives in Windows 11. If you want to enable this function, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and after that you need to open settings. Then from the left panel you need to open system settings and you need to scroll down and find here something like for developers. These settings are intended for development use only. So I click on the right arrow here. And now I need to scroll down and find here File Explorer settings. These settings will let you to adjust these settings for a more developer-friendly experience using File Explorer. So if you want to display more options, you need to click on this arrow. And then we are interested in to find here Show Empty Drives function. If you want to enable it, you need to click on this black dot. And after that, this function should be turned on. But if you want to disable this function, you need to click on the white dot. And this function will be turned off. So it is how it works. If I helped you to enable this function, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.